Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 5 virtual assistant niches that pay the most in 2025. If you're looking for ways to start your remote journey, you're maybe tired of going to an office and working a 9 to 5, this video is going to be perfect for you because I'm going to talk about different niches or roles that you can fulfill in different companies and also start making a lot of money from it. And it does not matter if you have little to no experience. To get started on the jobs that I'm going to show you today, all you need is your computer and of course a lot of time and effort so you can start seeing results and you start growing in this journey. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. In spot number 1, we're going to be talking about social media management. We all know that social media is the thing right now. We all use it every single day, and it actually has a very big impact in our decision making when we're about to make a purchase or we are about to travel somewhere or try a new restaurant. It is said that nowadays 87% of buyers make their decision based on social media and what they see on there. I know that can be pretty scary, but that is a huge opportunity for you as a virtual assistant or as a remote worker because businesses are looking for someone that has the ability to help them grow their businesses and of course to sell more of their products or services more than ever. So if you're able to build your skill sets around marketing and social media, I guarantee you're able to find a job that first of all, you're going to enjoy a lot if you like social media and of course digital marketing, and that pays you more than $45 an hour. As a social media manager, you could work with businesses of all sizes and you can help them create strategies, content. You can even edit videos for them in case you don't like to be in front of the camera, or create graphic design posts in something as simple as Canva. You don't have to be an expert. All you need is time and of course being able to put yourself out there to find these jobs and these opportunities. Right now, this is a very high demand niche. There are so many companies out there looking for someone just like you that loves social media, that loves to post pictures, and of course that is really creative and that can help them drive their sales up. I'm going to tell you why this is a niche that pays really well right now. Number 1, brands understand the importance of being in social media and how their presence in these platforms is essential for their growth. Number 2 is that high quality social media management is going to lead to more engagement, which means more leads and more sales. And number 3, the more specialized you get in platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn, the more you can charge and the more you can build your career. Now that we have talked a little bit about sales, let's dive into niche number 2, which is high ticket sales. To get started in high ticket sales, all you need is the ability to sell high ticket items. High ticket items can range from luxury services to expensive coaching packages, and businesses need skilled BAs to help them with lead generation, nurturing, and of course converting those leads into sales. If you want to get started in this industry, the first thing that you need to do is to get really great at sales and of course understanding the psychology behind it. This is an industry that pays really well because businesses are willing to invest in a VA who can help them close these big deals. And of course, if you're able to help these businesses close these deals, you're going to get a piece of that cake and your earnings are going to grow a lot every single month. The next high-paying niche is executive assistants. We all know someone that started their own business and now they pretty much don't have time for anything. They're always busy, they're always on meetings, and that can be a lot of stress on someone. And that's exactly where you come in. If you are a really organized person, you love to be organized not only in your house, but with your agenda, with your to-do list, you can be really great in this niche because these BAs work very close with executives and entrepreneurs. They're able to offer that range support that they need. For example, managing their schedules, handling their emails, or arranging meetings for them. This executive support is very high in demand right now, and your support is going to be critical for that business success. This means that business owners are willing to pay a lot of money for this job, especially because it not only helps them grow their business, but it can also help them get their life back. If you're able to help them with their day-to-day agenda, business owners are going to have more free time to spend with their family, with their close ones, and of course, now they can focus on what matters the most to business owners, which is ultimately to continue to grow their business. This industry pays so well because you need to be a very organized person and you need to have the ability to handle confidential information every day. It's a high responsibility job, but it has a high salary attached. It is estimated that executive virtual assistants are earning anywhere from $3K to $6K a month. And this is money that you can start making today from your house. Another top niche right now is online course management. We all have seen the rise of e-learning. So now businesses and creators need help with managing and also creating their online courses. As a VA in this niche, you're able to help business owners upload their content and also their lessons. You can also learn to manage the platforms and help with student communication. The e-learning market is growing a lot in 2025, with projections of reaching $320 billion this year. This is a projected compound annual growth of 14% between 2024 and 2026 alone. Nowadays, everyone wants to learn something new, and e-learning is the way to do it. And it can be a lot more convenient because you can learn anything you want from the comfort of your house. If you want to get started in this industry, I recommend that you start studying about the different platforms where e-learning is growing right now, and that you start reaching out to creators that have online courses that you can start helping them with today. Finally, we have bookkeeping and financial management. Every single business, it does not matter how small it is, it does not matter if you're selling lemonade in your neighborhood, you need to keep track of your finances, and that's exactly where a financial VA comes in. As a VA in this niche, you can help businesses with their invoices, their payment, you can track their expenses, and other basic financial tasks. If you're good with math and numbers, this is going to be the niche for you. Think about how many businesses are struggling to keep their finances on track. If you want to get started in this niche, what you can do is to start building a profile in LinkedIn, Upwork, or Indeed, and you start sharing about your experience with numbers, and of course, sell that experience in a way that business owners want to reach out and be like, hey, I need you to help me organize my finances. This is a niche that pays really well because financial tasks require a lot of precision and expertise. It's a high skill niche and businesses are willing to pay for accuracy. And if you're certified or if you have prior experience in accounting or finances, you can charge even more. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful and that it motivates you to start looking for different ways to earn more money in 2025. If you're ready to start your remote career as a virtual assistant, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you're able to see more videos like this pretty much every single day. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!